Thank you, thank you, thank you.
No, Saturday, Papa Hike ini all level of high school together.
Ang modeling kind of Chiangmai hinke when I was 17. First, ani parents rong ekdam shoya because being a science student, chingonik ma poriyo. Day and night we have to study to make it. And then angani parents onek convinced kaika. And at the year 2023, ang Guwahati was Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast Thangka, and then I got the title of Mega Miss Tripura. After that, I went to Miss Hornbill International, which happened in Dimapur, Nagaland, and I was in top 5. And after that, my parents supported me so much that ang tini Miss India ni crown to Tripura hayo. I'm so grateful to my parents, and friends, and family. And then yeah, I believe I'm a God's child. And then I believe that ang onek no face kaika rejection national sa thangay ang family na udui but thanga, and they rejected me twice, and it broke me like very badly, but still I didn't give up because ani ma ano push kaika, ani parents ano onek push kaika. And then I went to Bombay for this GMI Miss India, and I'm so happy that I am the first ever Miss India from Tripura. And now I will be representing India at Jakarta, Indonesia in Miss Culture International 2025 in next year, which will be happening on the month of June. Thank you.
Whom will you like to remember for the best in this modeling?
Sorry?
Till today, did anyone of you like your parents? Someone wants to be their daughter to become doctor?
No, actually, my mom and dad, they always wanted me to be in medical field. So I became,
like doctor, right?
Yeah. So I decided that I will pursue medical laboratory technology, and by the grace of God, ang this year graduating ka Martin Luther Christian University ni Siming medical laboratory technology to yoy. So yeah, after that, any parents anu kuno hilli, they supported me so much.
Debbarma tongo, mane modeling ote thanamba but sometimes their parents used to stop them. So what will you like to say from?
See, being a pageant girl, I'll say pageantry and modeling is both different things. So both a pageant girl, I would like to say that we pageant girls, we don't only model, we don't only pose in front of the camera, we speak. And like when we speak, people listen to it. So it's something that empowers, uplifts, and educates people. So I believe that if I can do it, everyone can do it. If you have a dream, don't look behind. Just go for it because we only get to live once.
Indian singkai kai warga bertentu, ayo kami sampai. Actually, ini kawa itu sekali ini kan. I don't know where kan. Anyhow.
Okay, sure, I'm paying.
Okay.
Saya kenal ada kakak. Bapak hai Roma tu sini.
Pulau no, sini orang file manager file media rokno, bela hambai. Sini buku Puspita Murasing All India level GMI Miss India competition of takleti kimani inga sini Murasing Hodani pokko theke ebong Tripura ni jotto sini muksa bukum barani pokko theke angbono belai hambai yaparo inga biskango bo taibo kotor jagao thangai competition khai jate sini bukung no tai bukusuk khai ton ini ang asa khlayo angga ini belai keno tong thongmani din bo जोंहाय बर' किसिसा बसंनि बर' गंगैफानब सारा भारतबर्ष थांगै सिनि अर त्रिपुरा राज्यनि जे सुं सिनि जे मुक्साग्रगनि मध्य ब थांगै सिनि बरकनि बुकुंनो कुसुं खालामनो बागै इनके आं आसा खालायो बनि भबिष्यत दाइबो गाहामके कुसुक जागा सगैयानो होननाय